Today I am going to show the remaining features of mobile CapCut, which was I told you in my previous video. If you don't watch that video, so just click on an I button at the up right corner of this video and must watch that video before watching this video. So let's move on and continue our video. Now you have to click on AI poster, which is mainly used for your e-commerce product advertisement. This AI feature saves many time if you use it for your product. When you click on it, you will see many options here. If you have smart script for your product, you have to use it. If not, then click on advanced script. In this section, you will see the title in which you can add your product title, and below it there is a subtitle option where you can write your subtitle related to your product. Now click on an image button, select your product image, and there you can change the size. Now the main option is marketing, where you have to select one option, and below it a category option where you select a category also. There are many other options just like description, contact info, and call to action. After covering this section, simply click on create button. Here you can see the power of AI. In very short time you can make a product picture just like this. Now selecting any of one from them, you can also modify this template just like color theme, text, add a text, add a photo, changing size, background, add stickers, etc. Now move on to the next level, another AI feature which is called AI model. This AI feature is just about some clothing advertisement. If you want to advertise your dress or just like that things, you can select any AI model according to your need. There are many types of AI models available. Now select a pose and click on generate. And there you go, a magical editing is now available on CapCut. So be creative, subscribe my channel to don't miss an update. Thanks for watching.